So I want to thank everybody that got us to 1/3 of our goal on Kickstarter. After a week, we are at 1/3 of our goal, which feels pretty awesome and makes things feel possible again. So those that you've donated, it's not just money to buy stuff, but it's huge encouragement for myself and all of us when we see those emails come in and $5, $10, $50, a couple $100. When we get those emails, we feel like we're doing something important, doing something good. So busy weekend. When I said that we were working at breakneck speed, wasn't kidding. So want to go through and just show some of the stuff that happened literally this week. Was not done last week. It's happening this week. Starting with extra bracing in the wheel. When we designed the wheel and did a test section, we were good to 3,000 pound load, but we're putting extra material in because the whole ship fully loaded can weigh 10,000 pounds with 30 passengers on here. We've got our rear wheels are located forward, so it's not evenly distributed. The rear wheels carry a lot more of it, but the extra webbing in here cuts our unsupported length in half, which is going to give us near 3 times the strength. And plus, I mean, look at that, it just looks really cool. Yeah, that's good stuff. Hoses. We had a guy, Carl, from Northwest Mobile Hose. He shows up with his van and cuts all our hoses to length, does the crimp connections, and we got some beautiful hydraulic work done. And it looks busy in there, but it's all important. It's all hooked up in our hydraulic tray. Our engine is mounted, and this rack right here is temporary. This rack gets bolted on when we want to do maintenance, and see if I can just show you. Our engine rolls right out and is ready to be worked on whenever we need. Just need to bolt on that extra piece, but you can see in here we've got the rollers. These are all recycled, reused rollers. Used to be on a chairlift in California. So our engine will just roll right in, ready to go. Our biggest setback this week was our electronics. It's one of our old connectors. It's actually, this one doesn't look so bad. Some of them are really bad, and the wires were just so corroded and popping right out. And we've actually been going through and replacing every single one of these connectors, and there's just tons and tons of these connectors. These old switches and all this stuff is being replaced. So that actually worked out to be almost $200 in extra electronics, so going in there. The railing, lots of work got done this weekend getting that railing in. And it's going to be a bar across the top there, and each one of these holes is going to get a light in it, so it should look really good. Yes, this is probably one of the things that made me the happiest this weekend, is seeing primer go on here. It starts to feel done when you can start putting paint on, and there's portions of it that are ready to paint, and we had so much help this weekend that we could actually start painting on that, and that was really exciting to be able to start that. Feels really good. So all your help with Kickstarter and all your donations mean a ton to us. We really appreciate that, and it's making this thing happen. So thank you again.